I'm Patricia Sorensen. I live in El Cajon, California. I started having problems with my roof, mainly because of the solar that had been put on it, and it was leaking, and I ended up having to have a whole new roof. I was very, very happy with the results of the roofing, but once they started the roof, it was done in 4 days. Everyone was so nice. They were so good. They were here on time, and they worked late every night. And then they found that the attic was in very bad shape, so I had that redone. And they were here right on time on Friday morning, and they worked until about 7 that night, and they completed the whole job. And everything was very, very nice. I was very pleased with the roof and the attic. And I would be more than happy to have the work done by the same people. Thank you.